So when I was like finishing GCSE sort of level, I realised that I wasn't the biggest fan of sort of schooling and all that. Really did not like the idea of going to uni. So when looking to do into engineering, I saw there's so many apprenticeships. Like people were a lot saying it's like the way to go to get into engineering, to do an apprenticeship. But I found Narlecast first, so I saw Narlecast the company and saw that as somewhere I wanted to progress there, and then from there they sent me off to Leicester College. So since I've been here, I've been, come all the way from knowing nothing to being able to run the manuals or and program three-axis machinery. So the ambassador program has been set up recently just to sort of promote apprenticeships a bit. A lot of, especially schools and that, they don't quite promote them the way they should be, and especially for this sort of field, it's really good to get into. So I've sort of come in and try and show people in year 10 and 11 that it's a good way to go. So I'm pretty much finished my apprenticeship now, so the plan is to probably stay here and keep progressing in the company. There's a lot of way to go from where I am now, so I'll probably carry on with that for at least a couple of years. If you're not liking the idea of school, that apprenticeship's such a good way to go. It's so like hands-on, and you get the work experience so well.